Hello and welcome to the Crafty Elf Workshop. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I like to use stickers to embellish gifts that I give. In this particular video, it's going to be a Christmas sticker. It doesn't necessarily have to be Christmas. It can be for any event, whenever you're giving a gift. Stickers have a lot of purposes, and I have a lot of fun with them. Anyways, let's begin. You can see here how I've got a Merry Christmas sticker, and I've taken the tails of a bow and I've just stuck the tails of the bow. I've crisscrossed them and stuck a sticker on it. I'm going to show you how I do that. Here's a gift that I've got ready. I have other videos that show how I make the bows, how I wrap the gifts up in cello, and this is just another video just to show you different things that you can do to make your gifts what I would call look a little prettier or present a little bit better. I love stickers. I've got like Merry Christmas stickers here. I have reindeer stickers. I have Merry Christmas stickers. I've got stickers, don't laugh, but I have stickers that they're mousse. They're just fun and something to add to the gift for the presentation. Also, in my other videos where I show you how to use tissue, you can fold tissue and just like the stores do and add these stickers to the tissue just to, when you fold it over, it secures the tissue. I think I'll do a video to show you that. But anyways, let's finish with this. So in this one, I just sort of did the sticker in the middle, but you have options. You can crisscross your tails of your bow and you can put it up to the side. You can incorporate, you know, like all your other, you can use your curly ribbon here and just attach that. You can add your curly ribbon to the tails of your bow. It's all personal preference. It's entirely what you want to do and the type of gift that you're wrapping. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to peel this sticker off the sheet, and I've got it here, and I'm going to do it a little bit different than that one. I always like to take a little hostess gift. You know, if somebody's invited us over, I like to take something to them, and I always like to make it look really pretty. This one here can be off to the side, so I'll get the ribbons sort of the way I like them. I'm gonna just, let's play around a bit here. Hold them closer to the bottom. Nope. I think I'll pull this one over. Nope. I don't know, let's see, I'll make it, how does that look? And I think I might incorporate, let's see if I can get the gold curly one in there, see what that does it. Let's see. I always like to play around. There's no rules. It's fun. So I think I'm just going to go with the red here. I'm going to crisscross them. I'm going to stick them to the sticker. And then I'm going to stick it over just a bit to the left. And there you go. It's cute. So you can get these stickers at your local craft store. I got these when I was in Florida at Hobby Lobby. You can get them at Michael's. You can get them at the dollar store. And again, it just depends on the gift that you're giving. It could even be for kids, like kids' gifts that you're giving. They've got all kinds of awesome kids stickers at the dollar store. You don't have to spend a lot of money. Again, this is just cello paper and ribbon and a sticker, but it really makes, I think it makes a great presentation. Anyways, I hope you've learned something. Have a great day, a great rest of your day, and Merry Christmas. Bye.